Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you're doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing of skincare. This time I purchased them from Good Molecules. Remember the video that I featured where I won a lot of good, amazing skincare with the fridge from Good Molecules in their giveaway. In case you haven't seen this video, the video I'm talking about rather, I'll put the link somewhere for you to click on in order for you to see those amazing gifts that I won from them, from their giveaway, the fridge and skincare. So after that, I decided to go to their website and see what they have going on more, because I've heard good stuff about this product, and being the kind of person I am, I love to use a range of the same skincare line at the same time. That's just me. So I went ahead onto their website and see things that I think I'm going to need along with those things that I want, so for me to be able to come back and give you guys amazing review as usual. All right, so I went to their website, I purchased what I'm about to unbox for you guys to see. All right guys, and before we jump right into this video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time guys, let's jump right into this video. Guys, before we jump into this video again, I just wanted to run something real quick by you guys. Their shipping is like this, as in like this. It's not even up to a week that I placed my order. It came like 3 days. I am not kidding you. And their products are never tested on animal. See, never tested on animals. You see it's written on the box. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I purchased. There's something I'm really excited about in this. There's a stone that is there. The stone is for your soap, where you can put the soap so your soap doesn't get dry. So that's the first thing I picked. Yeah, that's the first thing. And this is it. This is called the stone soap tray. Okay, and this is where you keep your soap. Like, I purchased their soap as well because I'm going to be trying their soap. They have two types on their website. I think they have the one for, I'll put the other one that I didn't purchase on the screen because I don't want to give you wrong information, but the one I purchased is for clarification, to, you know, to clear your skin. Okay, so that's the one I actually purchased. I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, ruin this packaging. Their packaging is amazing. Like, it's really beautiful. This is the soap tray that I'm talking about. See guys, and this is amazing. This is supposed to dry under 10 seconds. Like, when you pour water on it, it's supposed to dry under 10 seconds. I'm going to try and see if I can prove that one to you guys. I will go ahead and shoot the video, you know, to test it and see if it actually dry under 10 seconds. But I'm going to put it aside for now. Let's quickly finish this unboxing so as not to prolong the video. So the next thing I pick is the soap. Of course, like I said, I purchased the one that says clarify and cleanse. So this one is clarify and cleanse bar. So this is how this one is looking, the packaging. I'll bring it out, and this is how it looks here. All right, so on it they wrote soap free cleansing bar formulated with white willow bark extract, bark B-A-R-K, bark extract, kaolin clay, and cocoa powder to help maintain a clear complexion for acne prone skin. Of course, I don't really have acne going on, but at the time of the month, every now and then it's just pop here or here or here or here. Okay, so I like it. The reason why I decided to choose this particular one, it's because I saw clarify and cleanse bar and it sounds amazing to me. So it's also good for acne prone skin. I said the next thing that I'm so excited to try is their vitamin C serum powder. This is undiluted, this is raw, this is fresh, and I read that when you use the powder on its natural stage, or vitamin C powder on its natural stage, it works way much more better than the ones that already liquidify or mix with some other ingredients. That's the reason why I decided to purchase this. In this box, it's enclosed with a spoon, and this is as tiny as cute small little spoon. This is the only spoon that you need to use to dispense this powder. All right, this vitamin C serum can be used with your this vitamin C powder can be used with your serum or your moisturizer, but you have to use this spoon that is enclosed with it. All right, it is written on the box. I read it, that's why I'm telling you. I'm making emphasis on it. Okay, direction: use this enclosed spoon, mix with 1 spoonful into serums or moisturizers until dissolved. Apply once in the morning or at night, once in the morning or at night, up to 3 times per week. You may experience a tingling sensation which will diminish with regular usage. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Okay, so look at that. That's the spoon they recommend, and I'll go ahead and open it for you. It's powder. All right, they have a seal that covered it, but like I said, I thought I was recording, but see, look at the powder. It's powder, it's in powder form. So I'm so eager, I'm so looking forward to trying this. Of course, I'll be coming back to let you guys know how it works. All right, so this phone is very important. That's what we're going to be using. And the next thing I purchased from their website is their pineapple exfoliating powder, formulated with fruits, enzymes, vitamin C and rice powder to soften, brighten and gently exfoliate. All right, so they have the ingredient as usual. The direction says dispense a teaspoon of powder into palm, mix with few drop of water to form a creamy foam. Use more water for gentler exfoliation. Massage into skin with circular motion. Rinse thoroughly. Use up to 4 times a week. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Avoid direct eye contact. All right, I don't intend to use this at the same time I'm using the vitamin C. What I mean by that is, it's not the day that I use the vitamin C I will use the exfoliation. Okay, I'm going to try and see how I can interchange it, and if I feel like it's going to be too much for me, I'm going to hold on to this and just concentrate on the vitamin C first. When I'm done with that, I'm seeing the effect, then I can be doing this once a week. Exfoliation for me is once a week. I'm not going to be doing 4 times a week. No, I'll do once a week, and that's how I exfoliate anyway. Once a week. Okay, so they gave me a sample of that's the last thing in the box. They gave me a sample of their skin free priming moisturizer, which I have the bigger size on the giveaway that I want from them. So they gave me a sample. All right, so that's about it. That's what I have in this box. So my intention is to go ahead and start using them. Okay, and after a month, by the grace of God, I will come back to let you guys know how they're working. All right, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please subscribe if you haven't before, so as for you not to miss the goodies of my review. All right, and please turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.